Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at Willa May Ranch here. We're getting ready to make some tomato gravy and biscuits that was passed down from generation to generation in Appalachian. It's an old recipe that we used to use. And I'm gonna talk you through and show you how to make it, and all my links to my descriptions for all of my utensils and all of my cooking supplies and these bags. They've just started charging us for bags, and look forward to seeing you. Hope you'll watch. Thank you. Okay, so you're gonna start with about 1 cup of buttermilk, 3 cups of flour, and 1½ sticks of butter to start with. Next step, we're going to combine all of those ingredients together until it comes like a dough. Butter and cut out your biscuits as you need, about 4 or 5 times, until you become about 1 inch of biscuit dough. Place them in the cast iron skillet on 350 for about 25 minutes, and in the last 5 minutes you're going to put broil on just to brown the tops. After that's finished, you'll take them out and spread a little bit of butter on top of your biscuit dough. Okay guys, so now that we've got our biscuits made, we're going to move on to the tomato gravy. Start with about 5 or 6 slices of bacon. You're going to use the grease to make your gravy. Next step, this part is optional. You remove your bacon, and we're going to use the grease to make our gravy. I add a tablespoon of garlic and 1/2 a chopped onion. Like I said, that's optional. If you want to use it, you can leave those out if you don't like them, but it makes the gravy taste a little bit better. The next, you're going to make those where they're almost translucent and add about 5 tablespoons of flour and mix until the flour is dissolved. Next, you're going to add about 1 cup of milk or buttermilk, whichever you prefer, and 1 whole can of tomatoes. Okay, so now that you've let that simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes, we're going to break open those biscuits, and look how easy they come apart. They're super soft. They're really good. And we're going to top them 2 biscuits with the tomato gravy. After that's finished, just grab you a plate, friends and family, and enjoy. Okay, so here's the bags that I just brought in from the store. You can find them in the description box below, but they come in all different varieties of colors, and they're super easy to put up. They also have this little rubber elastic that you can set down inside of the Walmart, Kroger, wherever you shop at. So it's easy for the person who's bagging the groceries, or if you're doing it, to put them down in there. But anyway, all you do is you flatten them out all together as one, and then you're going to fold this way and then fold to the right, and you're going to take them and roll them up
into a nifty little ball. And then you put them down in your carrying slot, and then whenever I go back outside, I just put them back in my car. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching my page. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like these, or the Appalachian videos, the horseback riding. The description for these are in the description box linked below, and you can find all of my utensils and everything I use in this video in the description box. Thanks for watching my channel.